Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Fujitsu air conditioner that is running but not blowing the cold air. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to make sure that your AC is set on the cool mode and it should not be on the fan or the dry or on the heat mode. So you can just simply press the mode button repeatedly on top of your remote, and you can just simply stop pressing it when you see this type of cool button available on the display. So when you see the cool button, you just have to use the set temperature up and the down buttons, and you need to lower the temperature to around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius so that the compressor receives a cooling request. Now, if after doing this the issue still persists, the next thing that you need to do is to simply open the front panel and you need to remove these air filters. If they are clogged with dust, airflow is reduced and cooling performance also drops significantly. So you just have to simply remove the dust on top of it, and then you just have to simply reinsert them. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. You just have to simply go outside and make sure that the outdoor fan is also spinning and nothing is blocking the condenser. Sometimes the leaves, the dust, and the poor airflow around the outdoor unit can prevent the system from cooling efficiently. So after doing this, you just have to turn the AC on and wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Fujitsu systems include a built-in compressor protection delay so that the cold air won't come out immediately after startup. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. Thanks for watching.